Now that we have created and edited our layers, let's edit the part in the gap width, depth, position of the layers, and the direction for lining up the slabs. To do so, double-click the slab to open the General tab property in the Floor Layout Modification tool. You can control your part and gap width using different methods. Notice that the slab widths entered in Floor Layout can set a correct width value to your parametric beam profile. In the Layer tab for Parametric Profile, you can replace the width of the profile with the text W. When you do this, the beam is never cut, but the desired width is achieved by setting the profile name based on the slab width. Let's start by editing the part width. To control the part width, you can choose one of three options. Default part width controls the slab width in the primary layer. If you define the width of an individual slab in the slab part properties, the default part width value is not used. When using max part width, Floor Layout calculates the slab width by dividing the entire floor width by the maximum width you entered. The last option is by entering the number of parts. In this option, Floor Layout calculates the slab width automatically by dividing the entire floor width by the number of parts. In this example, let's edit the default part width. You can edit the default gap width by adding the gap value. Then, you can choose one of two options. Same gap for all. That creates gaps for all the slabs including their endings. No gap first and last doesn't create gaps for the slab endings. You can control the slab depth position in relation to the plane of input points by adding a value and choosing one of three different options: above, centered, and under. Finally, let's change the direction of slabs. By default, the width of the last slab may differ from the width of the other slabs.